Hello guys, I'm Alan Quez. To tell you in these tutorials, how do you recover your Gmail ID in case you are facing that couldn't sign in you. It happens because I did not provide enough information for the Google to ensure that this account is managed. Spontaneously, it happens due to when someone who has stolen your Gmail ID, you have lost your device, someone who has stolen your device, and due to that, since they everything now added their recovery number, added their phone numbers. Now you are unable to reset it because you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number. Then how do you reset? Of course, there is alternative options. Here is answer as many questions as you can, so then you can recover. So use a device where you have to sign in before. But third options we will get it, and of course we will try to recover it. So this is updated guys, of course approached by this strategy, and you will be able to recover it quickly. This tutorial will be very beneficial when someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID, someone who has changed the password, someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID. Now you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number so that you can reset your password and once again get it back. Don't worry, yes, you can get it back once again your Gmail ID. So let's live here. If I click on a try again, what will happen? So guys, here we are on a recovery phase, and we will see here we will go for try another way. And if I go for try another way, then see I don't have a phone number, and if I click on here, now it's saying that see we don't have device also. So now we are having this kind of the problem. So we'll cut it from here. Don't worry guys, simply we will have to come now, especially in the Play Store. There we will have to, in a search bar, we will have to download this one browser. That is, of course, it has started to install quickly within 10 minutes. Give me, and of course you will see you would be exposed to other recovered of your emails. Now we will come to Google product. It's downloading. On the other hand, of course, we will hold this G browser because I attempted with the Google products to recover. So now see here, just we are on here, wait for moments, just we will type on it 2 times, so automatically this notification will be off. Let's see, yes, we'll back, and we'll come to the permissions. In the permission, what we will have to do, just we will come to the location guys. In the location, of course, make the precise location off. We'll go for here, don't allow any B, click don't allow any B. We'll back. Now what we will do, once again we will come the Chrome browser, hold that, we will come in here, these icons, we will come in notifications, make it blocks guys, and thereupon we'll have to back, make the precise location of also and the free and user space also. Sorry, let me, in locations, we'll have to navigate the locations to off in the precise locations where it is. We will tap on it guys. Now I'm at precise location off, click on it, don't allow. So device may no longer function as intended. For timing I'm doing it, don't worry guys. Now we will have to whack one more time guys, one more time. Now one more time, have it. We will come to the picture in this browser here, and now we will go for here, cut it. Now firstly we will go for here, this banana browser, and here we will have to accept these things. We'll go for this Google approach, click on here, and now we are ready here to navigate. Just we will cut it from here, and now what we will do guys here, simply just we will come on a tap on a setting guys. In coming the settings, we will have one option, and that is especially here, G browser. So before in the going in especially G browser, just we will wait here, just we will come on a tap it once again, and we will go for here, click on Google. So let's see, yes, we will write here Google, and see here guys, this has been opened. Click on these links. Now here will be one notifications. This one we will have to go for here, and now we will have to type here your particular Gmail ID that we would like to recover. And what we will do, guys, here, just we will go for next. So it's asking here password. Fines, we will go for here. This one's forgot. Now it is asking this phone number has been also changed, guys, here. So now more tips to the recovers. Don't click on here. This account would be freeze for permanence because I am trying to recover the particulars in this ID via different browser. Google will trace easily. So what we will do, we will approach these options. More tips to the recover as. So just we will cut it from how more tips to execute by tapping on a setting, guys. This is a crucial step. Now we'll come to Google service. In Google service, what we will have to come on a help icon, guys. Just pick in these help options and upon here we will write here that conscience. Now we will go for you think someone else is using these accounts. Now we will go for secure these accounts, and here we are on this review your account activities. We'll go for find out if your account has been hacked, and here yes, these tips can help to the recovery in this account. We'll go for on a recovery page, and what will happen, guys, once again we are on a here. Now what we will do, simply we will have to type this particular Gmail ID, and thereupon of course here just we will have to click on a next. Now we are directly here. Just don't click on a continue, guys, otherwise you will be trapped in. It's verify your options, and there once again you will have to get a OTP on a recovery added mobile number by hackers. So don't click on it here. Just we will go for change password. Now firstly we will change the password. Step by step we will do. Now create this strong password, confirm the new password, go for change it. When you will be change it, then you will have to go in a security center, add their recovery email or recovery phone numbers. After adding, of course you will be able to reset any times whenever you want to reset or change the password of your Gmail ID, and this ID once again will be your permanence. So do it by similar steps, so such kind of incident won't be repeated or happens again, guys. So this is all about right now on the screens lives. We cannot add because this will be in a public domain, so guys we cannot create here the strong password, but after scanning off of course I will have to deliver to my viewer. So this is all about in this video tutorials. Further any query or confusions, or you are having any trouble to troubleshoot to rescue of your Gmail, then drop your comment in the comment box. I will reply according to the situation. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare, guys. Have a great time. Bye bye.